Oh golly, Miss Molly, here we go again.
Shut the door. Make it a little tighter. Yeah. All right. Yeah.
Put this thing in the box.
Trey, look this way. Say cheese. Perfect.
The historical Utica train station built by Christopher Columbus in 1982.
Little old timey train things. Hey, did you get a mommy kitty and a baby kitty? Do you like it? Look how cute they are. How nice this bench is. The marble?
It's a built bench.
This is a built bench. You think this bench is like 200 years old?
Somebody built it.
Somebody did build this bench. Look at the ceiling in here.
So high.
The ceiling is so high. Oh, a marble. This is amazing. Oh, nice the men's room. It did smell that nice, though. $5, can't beat that.
What do it say on here?
It says $5 for the bag. There's a chandelier over there. Restaurant over there. Another chandelier. Look how beautiful these lights are in science. Nice. They're all built. They're right, they are all built. Get distracted by these beautiful lockers. Look at this thing. Is this Disneyland or something? Got the big thing. Toy Train Collection Society. Yeah, it looks like it might be like, I feel like I've seen that, the monorail at Disneyland. Wow. That's pretty neat. Walt Disney. Oh, look at that. It's got a little tornado. How beautiful that is. You want to see the tornado? It's right over here. There's the tornado. Here comes the train. Wow, here comes another train.
That train.
Yeah. Oh, exciting, huh? Wow, there's the tornado. That's a lot. Fire. Comes the train.
Just with the tractor.
Ball area over there. Train Railroad Association. Central New York. Nice restaurant is. Nice little restaurant here. Fancy. Not too bad. Union Station. Nice. Look at the trains. They're all outside. I'll go look at them.
Hey, Daddy.
It is a train will come in while we're walking around. Look how beautiful it is out here. How beautiful that building is. Yes, this is an active train track right
Daddy,
here.
it's cold out here.
I will be out here for a moment.
I want
Think
to go.
you want to go home?
Yeah, go home.
Okay. 11:27. There's some trains over there.
Daddy,
Beautiful trains.
we don't have a truck camper van. That's a big one.
Get the Adirondack Railroad. Some sand over there, maybe. Oil tanker's way down there. Oh, look, we can see lots of Utica from here. Rolling hills in the background. There's the old-timey cars. Train down there. Big bridge. There's brickwork down there. Brick building. Guy walking. Interesting place, Trey. Each one of those things, Trey, each one of those little insets has all those little things in it. That is crazy. Alright. Almost forgot there's a little Christmas tree over there. We can zoom in on it later. Oh, a nice building. That clock. Little eagles. We bought this beautiful RV. Jiggling. You want to watch me do some jiggling?
No.
Not really?
Yeah.
It's a nice Hess truck.
Alright, gotta try out the jiggler. 10 minutes. Got a nice wide stance. Oh yeah. Let's amp it up. Oh yeah. Alright, first time trying with the power band. Ooh. Let's get physical, physical. Let's get physical. Hear your body talk, body talk.
Oh no, Dad, it's gonna break.
I think it's pretty good.
Daddy, it's gonna break one at a time.
Oh, I see what I gotta do here. There we go. There we go. Little tabs that are adjustable. Oh, clips are caught sideways, but other than that, we're good. 1 million bicep curls on a jiggler. My right arm has more tension now. Do you know why the right arm has more tension, Trey?
Yeah.
Is it because you're pulling on it? You're helping. You're helping pump me up. Ugh. Squats. And squats. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Let me hear your body jiggle. Body jiggle. Let me hear your body jiggle.
Let me hear your body tilt.
Body toot. Let me hear your body toot. Let's get jiggling. Jiggling. 8 minutes left to go. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Rock and roll.
Can I put those things down? I just have a mama kitty and a baby kitty to be rescued.
The mommy kitty and baby kitty have to be rescued?
Oh, God damn. Daddy, I got him. It's okay.
Alright, you got them. Let's get jiggling, jiggling. Let's get jiggling. Let me hear your body jiggle. Body jiggle, let me hear your body jiggle. Very nice Hess truck. 1998 Hess RV. Jiggle, 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 yeah. Jiggle, 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 yeah. I did this 10 minutes this morning, and it said you could do 10 to 20 minutes a day, so here's the second 10 minutes. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
Now I'm gonna help you.
You're helping me jiggle?
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a pretty good helper. Can you help Dakota come inside? Dakota, you want to come inside?
Her can't hear you.
She can't hear me? Dakota, can you hear me? Buster! Dakota!
Would that make good exercise? Can you really do a new one now?
Do a new one?
Yeah.
What's a good new one? Cross straps? No?
Extreme body.
Extreme! Let's get extreme!
Two people are gonna be on there at one time.
And 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 1 and toot, 1 and toot, 1 and toot. My socks are starting to slide off. The things I didn't expect. My socks falling off.
A banana toodle.
A banana toodle. Ugh.
Oh no, buddy. Help.
Help?
Look at
Look at.
my eye.
Yeah, I see that. Are you supposed to get jiggled?
My feet are...
Hey, what happened to the camera? Is it working? Random edit, maybe. I don't know. We ran out of space. So let's tape it now.
Okay, woo!
Look at her eyes jiggle. Are we jiggling as a family?
A crowd of people jump on that thing. It'll break in half.
Crowds of people.
Crowd of people coming on this thing.
That's unwatchable. That's unwatchable. Thanks. Added. Whoa!
Pick me up again.
Why?
Because I want to get jiggled.
You want to be jiggled?
Yeah, you and me are gonna get jiggled.
Jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. Put a little jiggle in it. We're jiggling and we're wiggling into the fittest people ever. You like that jiggling yell? Dakota, are you playing with the magnets? Dakota, are you building a magnet train? How dare you, Dakota? Those are Trey's magnets. Dakota, where did you leave your magnets? Does Dakota have magnets she plays with?
Not out there.
She has magnets outside? She better not have magnets outside. Those are indoor magnets, Dakota.
Or birds will fight me.
Yeah, the birds will fight them. The birds will fight the magnets.
And they're gonna make a comfy, cozy magnet net.
You're gonna make a magnet nest out of
But naked?
buck naked magnet nest? Are all the birds outside buck naked? Yeah.
Oh, it's so hot!
Ow, my neck! Whoa, I almost fell backwards.
Oh no!
Actually. Oh yeah.
Honey, I want to be jiggled. No,
Oh no, he says. One-armed.
Daddy, look at what I'm doing.
I see. Don't snap me with that. That could be a... I've been screaming and hollering. Oh, yeah. This is working out now. How to jiggle right here. 1, 2, 3. Don't look at my tummy. Jiggle, 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 jiggle. Yeah. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Oh, many times. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's actually getting me winded now. Is this jiggler thing working? Jiggle, 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 yeah.
Jiggle, jiggle. Eddie, now pump me back up.
Back up?
Eddie, can you put your hand way up for me? Yeah.
Fell off the jiggler.
Oh no!
Last minute.
My...
Vertical suplex. Oh! Diamond cutter. Pew!
Ow! Ah!
Is this the torture rack? Lex Luger torture rack.
No!
Ah! There you go. Jiggle, 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 yeah. Jiggle, 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 yeah.
Put my pants down in a tree. I'm gonna put your pants down.
Last 30 seconds. Holy mackerel.
Holy mackerel.
that girl.
Eat it.
Ah! No slappy, sir. Mwah. This has been a pretty good workout. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, it stopped again. Oh.
Hey, now get to put in the tummy.
So that's the fat rejection machine. Look how little that lady is compared to that. Trey, you're like 4 times as big as this lady on this box. Fat rejection machine. Healthy body and youthful choices. Model 550.
Okay.
That's a lot of cubic inches.